In this video, we'll learn two tools which is inside the curves tool option. One is the split line, another is the project curve. Let's start with the project curve. What it does is creates a projection of a sketch onto a surface. Let's say this ball or sphere was created using the revolve surface tool. Based on this center line and this semicircle, we want to create a projection on top of the surface of those sketches. So let's click on the button and expand the sketch that was used to create this. Select the sketch, right click on it and select this option, this eye icon called show. Now you can see that sketch. Once that's done, go into the curves, select project curve. From the sketch, select those sketches. From the surface, select the surface here, and as you can see, that semicircle has been projected upon that surface. This can be useful in many cases when you're working with complicated surfaces and wanna draw some patterns onto it. Let's say if it was a logo of the sketch, let's say BMW, create the sketch of the BMW logo. You can imprint on top of this critical or complicated surfaces. Okay, the next one in the line is the split line. Split line is basically used to, let's say, split any surface tools. To demonstrate the split line tool, we will be using a simple to explain geometry. A rectangle in this case, let's say. So let's sketch a rectangle first in one of the planes, and then let's extrude it. Like I mentioned, we'll be using another sketch as a knife to cut away in any orientation we would like. So let's create another sketch. Let's say we wanna do the cut similar to something like this. Okay, a V shape. We exit the sketch, go into the curves, then split line. From the right side, we will be selecting the selection of the sketch and then the surfaces which we wanna split into two parts. Once selected, click OK. You will see the surfaces have been separated into two different parts. This is almost on par with the trim surfaces, but instead of using a surface to trim and still cut different surfaces and right away trimming away those portions, we're using this to split those objects so that we can use the option called the delete face to delete the faces that we have splitted, and thus we have the modified geometry.